Hi guys, welcome to 5mantra.com. This is Kalyan, the Faculty of Aptitude, and we are going to discuss one more different problem in mensuration right now. Now, the problem which I'm going to teach is not an example for difficult pattern. It's a very simplest one, but we need to do a small rearrangement of the diagram so that it can be very easy. Okay, how it can be easy, let us see. Okay, see here, this is, rearrangement of the diagram is also not required for this diagram. It's a very simple looking like, okay. Now tell me, here it's a square introduced, means find the red colored shaded region. They simply had given this. Nothing else is mentioned over there. We need to find out this red colored part, a shaded region. How to find it out? See guys, in previous videos we have done lot of difficult cases and difficult patterns we have solved, but these are not such kind of things. But still lot of students will fail to do these problems only having lack of ideas on just the figures and analysis of the figures. Do analyze the figure, you can do it easily. No measurements are given here also, only the measurement given is here only this 14 centimeters, this total length. That's it, and you need to find out this one. And here just you separate this 14 centimeters into different parts. How do we do? Let us see. For example, if you do, see here, just see this guys, what is this total length? Actually what we need to find, let us see. Here this is a square and this is a semicircle, and diameter of the semicircle is side of the square itself. So here side of the square and diameter of the semicircle are same or not? If you say A is a side, then diameter also will be A. Got it? So now we need to find out here and we need to find out the area of how many semicircles? 4 semicircles. That is only the red colored portion. Okay, here red colored portion represents only this and this and this. Okay, so that means here red colored portions represents 4 semicircles. That means combination of 4 semicircles would be 2 circles, equivalent to what? 2 semicircles. We don't need to do once again animate this. So just see here, if you add these two, it will be a circle and it will be a circle. Okay, so here these two are 2 circles. The 4 semicircles are combined together to form 2 circles. So here our question is to just find the area of the 2 circles, 2 full circles. So in order to get the area for 2 circles, we need its radius, which is not given in the diagram. And for finding that, we have given this total length. So we need to analyze that first. Okay, let us see. See here, if this is a semicircle, then is this a radius or not? Is it a radius or not? Okay, now again this is a radius and this is a radius. This full is a diameter or not? So here this is a combination of 2 radii. Now this is another radius. Is that right or not? So how many radii are written over there? Just let us represent for our convenience. See here, this is 1 radius, this is 1 radius, this is 1 radius, and this is 1 radius. So this entire length is divided into 4 equal segments. Each segment is nothing but the radius of the circles. So how many radius are there? Why I took here 2 radii? Because this is a diameter, right? So here this is 1 radius, this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 1. So this total length would be your 4r, isn't it? It's a 4r. Now this 4r is equal to given length, that is 14 centimeters. So this 4r would be your what? 14 centimeters. So your target is to find out first radius in order to get the shaded region. Okay, so how? Now r would be equal to what? 7 by 2 centimeters. Is that right or not? Because we can cut with the 2 on both sides. 2, 7. So r would be 7 by 2. So finally we could find the radius of the circle. What is that? 7 by 2 centimeters. Now let us find out the required area. For that, just to look at this. When this is radius is 7 by 2 centimeters. Now we need to find out the area, sum of the areas of 4 semicircles. That means 2 semicircles. Okay, so area of red shade would be equal to what? 2 circles areas. So that means each circle area would be pi r square. R means here 7 by 2. Now only we obtained. So 7 by 2 whole square, pi into 7 by 2 whole square. This is for one circle, and here 4 semicircle means 2 circles. So 2 times of that would be 2 into pi into 7 by 2 whole square. And now whenever you want to do this, 2 into this 22 by 7 into this would be, I am writing for our convenience, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, now if you divide this, 7 can be cancelled and one more 2, and here 2 11s are. In numerator part, 11 into 7 is remained and nothing is there in denominator part. So it would be how much? 77. Okay, 77 centimeters square, which is a area which is out of given options. Here B is correct. I think you understood this one. Here we are doing. Here figure is looking like this, but nothing is kept over there. Only for simple problems. Every time we are doing the most difficult cases, which is taking more than 15 minutes to solve it and to derive the structure for that. But here these are the very simplest patterns which we can do just by rearrangement and analyzing the figure itself. These are the basic figures only now. Semicircles, attachment of the semicircle will be full circles. Like such 2 circles are there, and this would be this. Okay, hope you guys would have enjoyed this problem, and be connect with us, and please subscribe to our channel so that you can get further updates. Thank you very much.